Let us discuss the topic on network. What is a network? Network is a group of computers or other devices connected together for establishing communication. Even other devices can be part of network. A TV set, printer, fax machine, they can all be part of network. What is a server and client? Server is the computer where data and resources are saved. Suppose in this network, this computer saves all the data and resources. In that case, this one acts as a server. Now your Google server, Yahoo server, they are all examples for servers, and to be precise, they are web servers because they save web pages. Now what is a client? Client is the computer that makes use of the data and resources present in the server. So suppose if these two computers make use of the data and resources present in this computer, then these two computers are examples for client computers. Client is also known as node, workstation, or front end. Similarly, a server is also known by the name back end. What is client server architecture? Client server architecture refers to a network in which a client can request information from a server. Okay, so suppose in this network, client makes a request to this server to access a particular resource. That architecture is what is known by the name client server architecture. Classification of servers. Servers are classified into two: dedicated servers and non-dedicated servers. What is a dedicated server? A computer which acts only as a server is called a dedicated server. Example, your web servers, print servers, compute servers, etc. A web server stores web pages. Print server is dedicated for printing purpose. Similarly, a compute server is dedicated for computation work. What are non-dedicated servers? A computer which acts both as a server and client is called a non-dedicated server. Non-dedicated server has more memory and they are relatively slow. What is master-slave network? If the network contains a dedicated server, the network is known as a master-slave network, which means one server is there and many clients are accessing resources from that server. What is peer-to-peer network? If the network contains a non-dedicated server, it is called a peer-to-peer network. So in a network, if the computer acts as server and client, such a network is known as peer-to-peer network. What about the network present in our computer lab? Is it master-slave network or peer-to-peer network? It's a peer-to-peer network because for each computer there is independent hard disk. So each computer saves its own data and resources, and using the very same computer you can access the data and resources. So it is actually non-dedicated server and the network is peer-to-peer network.